Meaning of eagle owl.
Eagle owl.
Eagle owl.
Eagle owl.
Eagle owl. The eagle owl is a large and powerful bird of prey that is found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. It is characterized by its distinctive ear tufts, which resemble horns, and its piercing yellow eyes. The eagle owl is a fierce hunter, feeding on a wide variety of prey, including rodents, birds, and even other owls. Due to its size and strength, it is often considered a symbol of power and majesty in many cultures, and has been featured in art and literature throughout history.